In this video, I explained healthy breakfast ideas. Watch this full video. A healthy breakfast sets the tone for the day by providing essential nutrients and energy. Here are some nutritious and delicious breakfast ideas. 1. Oatmeal. 1. Classic oatmeal. Cook oats with water or milk and top with fresh fruit like berries, banana slices, or apple chunks, nuts, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. 2. Overnight oats. Combine oats, milk, or a milk alternative, chia seeds, and a sweetener in a jar. 2. Refrigerate overnight and top with fruit, nuts, or yogurt in the morning. 2. Smoothies. 1. Fruit and veggie smoothie. Blend spinach or kale with a banana, frozen berries, Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. 1. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. 2. Protein smoothie. Blend a scoop of protein powder with almond milk, a handful of spinach, a frozen banana, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. 3. Egg-based breakfast. 1. Scrambled eggs. Scramble eggs with spinach, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of cheese. 1. Serve with whole grain toast. 2. Omelet. Make an omelet with bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and a little cheese. 2. Serve with a side of avocado slices. 3. Boiled eggs. Pair boiled eggs with whole grain toast and avocado for a quick and balanced meal. 4. Greek yogurt parfait. 1. Layered parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, fresh fruit, and a drizzle of honey. 1. Add nuts or seeds for extra crunch and nutrition. 5. Whole grain toast. 1. Avocado toast. Mash half an avocado on whole grain toast. 1. Top with a poached egg, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. 2. Nut butter toast. Spread almond or peanut butter on whole grain toast. 2. Top with banana slices and a sprinkle of chia seeds. 6. Chia pudding. 1. Basic chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and a sweetener. 1. Refrigerate overnight and top with fresh fruit, nuts, and coconut flakes in the morning. 7. Breakfast burrito. 1. Healthy burrito. Fill a whole grain tortilla with scrambled eggs, black beans, avocado, salsa, and a sprinkle of cheese. 1. Wrap it up and enjoy. 8. Quinoa breakfast bowl. 1. Savory bowl. Cook quinoa and top with sautéed spinach, a poached egg, avocado, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. 2. Sweet bowl. Cook quinoa with almond milk and top with berries, a drizzle of honey, and a handful of nuts. 9. Homemade granola. 1. Granola with milk or yogurt. Make homemade granola with rolled oats, nuts, seeds, and a bit of honey or maple syrup. 1. Serve with milk or yogurt and fresh fruit. 10. Cottage cheese. 1. Sweet cottage cheese bowl. Top cottage cheese with fresh fruit, a sprinkle of granola, and a drizzle of honey. 2. Savory cottage cheese bowl. Top cottage cheese with cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Tips for a balanced breakfast. 1. Include protein. Ensure your breakfast contains protein to keep you full and satisfied. 1. Options include eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nuts, and seeds. 2. Add fiber. Incorporate fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and chia seeds to support digestion and keep you feeling full. 3. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil to provide sustained energy. 4. Limit added sugars. Choose natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or fresh fruit instead of refined sugars. 5. Hydrate. Start your day with a glass of water or herbal tea to stay hydrated. Example daily breakfast plan. Monday. 1. Greek yogurt parfait with granola, mixed berries, and a drizzle of honey. 2. Herbal tea. Tuesday. 1. Scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes, served with whole grain toast and avocado slices. 2. Fresh orange juice. Wednesday. 1. Overnight oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and topped with banana slices and a sprinkle of nuts. 2. Black coffee. Thursday. 1. Smoothie with spinach, frozen berries, Greek yogurt, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. 2. A boiled egg on the side. Friday. 1. Avocado toast with a poached egg and cherry tomatoes on whole grain bread. 2. Green tea. Saturday. 1. Quinoa breakfast bowl with sautéed spinach, a poached egg, avocado, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. 2. Fresh fruit smoothie. Sunday. 1. Cottage cheese topped with fresh fruit, granola, and a drizzle of honey. 2. Freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. Conclusion. A healthy breakfast includes a balance of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and limited added sugars. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your morning routine, you can ensure sustained energy and a positive start to your day.